Hello and welcome to the Big Make Workshops. My name is Aaron and I'm a theatre maker and puppeteer. That means I create and make theatre performances, and as a puppeteer, I manipulate puppets. I make them breathe, move and talk, and they become characters. Today is a blast masterclass in puppetry. Who are famous puppeteers and what are the famous puppets in the world? Keith Harris and Orville. This duo are famous, and they are famous for many, many years. There are many types of different puppets, including finger puppets, glove puppets, rod, string, tabletop, giant, shadow and object. They range from traditional British Punch and Judy or trick marionettes to cultural puppetry of Japanese banreiku, to name just a few. Now here's one here. This is Woods. Alright! This is a moving mouth puppet. And here we have Dora, the dormouse, and this is a rod puppet. Can you see? It's time to make your own puppet, a simple sock puppet from items that you have at home. Let's create. Now it's time to make your very own sock puppet. You will need a coloured sock. I'm going to use grey, sticky tape, Pritt stick or double-sided tape, coloured pens, scissors, be safe with those, maybe use an adult too, paper and black card to make your eyes, or you could use googly eyes. So to start, what you need to do is you need to use the scissors and white paper and black card. You're going to cut out two circles, one small circle in black and one big circle in white, and that will make the eyes. Then you're going to make another circle in white and colour in the nose and make two shapes for the ears. All you need to do is pop on the bits onto your sock puppet. These ones are all pre-cut and ready to go. I'm going to pop this nose at the end and I've got to pop the eyes on, and there you are, your very own mouse puppet. Hello, it's me, Mousy! Hooray! Puppets are just like people. When an audience watches a puppet, to believe the puppet is real, it must seem alive. It must have its own thoughts, ideas and emotions. So the puppet must have a heartbeat and an individual character. Let's start by creating a voice for your puppet. Now, begin with an impersonation. That means you get to have a go at someone else's voice. Whether that's the Queen, or it could be someone like this, doing any voice that's different to your own. You could try impersonating a family member, or even make up one like a pirate. Army hearties! When creating each new voice, consider where your sound is coming from. And is it centered? Are you projecting and speaking clearly with diction and clarity? Is your voice a throaty voice? Is it a nasal voice? Is it a chest voice? And most of all, if you're having fun, the people watching will do too. Here are a few more tips in discovering voiceonalities, okay? This is the voice personalities, well, put together. Number 1, read everything first. Find out all the information about your character. 2, study some drawings of that character, maybe do a bit of sketch yourself. 3, play with some sounds, not just words. And 4, use your body. So like with the pirate, army hearties, feel the character and connect to your feelings and senses. So the character can be really happy. Army hearties, we've found the treasure. Now, for the mouse puppet, I've chosen to make the voice with a higher pitch than my own, like this. Hello there, it's me, Mousy. Have a go and make a voice of your own for your puppet. Now it's time to devise and write a short introduction monologue for your puppet. This is your performance. Now to do this, you're going to need a pen or pencil and some paper to write down your script. To write and perform this monologue, you can use these key points. These key points are: 1. You're going to start by saying a hello and about who the character is and what's their name. So find a name for your character and your puppet. 2, and maybe know how old they are, what they look like. Okay, so this might help here. You could add in something that they're wearing, like Woods is currently wearing a hat. 3, what do they want to say? How are they feeling when they say it? And end on a goodbye. This character, puppet, well, is called Woods, and he is a monster. He's made from part paper and is passionate about recycling paper. I'm going to give you an example of Woods, and then you're going to make your own performance with your mouse puppet. Alright, I'm Woods, and I love recycling paper. Letters! Wow! So now you know how to devise and write a short introduction monologue for your puppet. Why don't you have a go with your sock puppet and perform it to your friends, family, and everyone? You can even write your own story and even add music and songs and make it a musical. Good luck! Thank you for taking part in a Blast Masterclass in Puppetry with myself, Aaron, from childrenstory.com. I hope you enjoyed the workshop. Now, why don't you take a photo or video of your puppetry today and share it with us online using the hashtag #TheBigMake, and tag Make on Facebook or Instagram. Also, this is just one of 15 workshops, so go and check out one of the other videos and discover something creative. Bye-bye!